guys, Maria here, and I am back. I know it has been like a couple of months since I've uploaded, but life, man, life. So yeah, in today's video we are creating this makeup look here. I'm getting ready to go to one of my friend's birthday parties slash like all black party. So I was like, let me just go ahead, sit down and film. So that's what I did. We are, like I said, creating this look. And before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed and make sure you give this a nice thumbs up. That's it. Short and sweet and to the point, honey. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's see if I remember how to even film a video because I have not done this in so long. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm trying to get this done in a certain amount of time. We're gonna see what really happens. But yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to start by priming my face. I'm going to use my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I haven't used this in a while. Okay, so because y'all know I get oily, you know, down the center of my face. I'm actually like really hot right now, but whatever. I'm going to use my Lancome Prepping Mat. So I'm also actually going to do a little color correcting. Y'all know I really don't color correct like at all ever, but I'm gonna do a little bit today. Just gonna do a little. I know it's something in here. It's just not coming. Oh, there we go. All right. So I'm just gonna do a little bit under my eyes and like my little dark marks that I have. I'm gonna just color correct those right here. All right, and then I'm actually going to mix that with a little bit of my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, just like, you know, to help it really mix into my skin. Lately, I have been using two brow pencils. I have been using my Revlon Color Stay with my Maybelline Ultra Slim brow pencil. So, oh, I need a small mirror. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my brows real quick. And yeah, and then like once I finish this little bit, then I'll start talking like a little bit more, you know, where I've been, what's been going on, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. I mean, you know, if y'all really care, you feel me? Alright, and then I'll go back in later on, fill them in some more, all that good stuff. So I'm just gonna clean them up, and I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. This is in the shade 18. It's a tad light, but that's okay. Just, you know, make the concealer pop a little bit more. It's fine. Whatever. Make the concealer more, make the eyeshadow pop a little bit more. See, I already don't know what I'm doing. As I said, I am going to an all-black birthday party tonight, so we're gonna do, you know, we're gonna zhuzh it up a little bit. Even though like my dress is really like, you know, really like pow, you know. It's not like all black, but it's, you know, it'll be fine. So for eyeshadow today, I did get my hands on the Patricia Bright and Makeup Revolution palettes. So I'm gonna be playing a little bit in both of these. I'm mainly gonna play in like the browns in this one, and then I am going to get probably use this one out of here and maybe like a couple of more browns, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Actually, I might do the browns in here and take like the black from the Rich in Life palette. I don't know. Y'all know I'll be doing. I just be doing stuff. My hands kind of just take over. But yeah, these, as you can see, I have been using them. I really, really, really like the palettes. Like, really do. So, alright. I'm actually just going to use the mirror that's on here. So we're going to just flip this thing up because this has a nice size mirror. So, even though I have like my fingerprints all over it. But I said, where have I been? I had to take like a little hiatus. I just needed a little mental break. But as you all know, like back in September, I did host my first makeup class, Brushes and Bellinis, and so that went very, very, very well. If you follow me on Instagram, you definitely saw like some of the pictures and all of that good stuff. And so now I am planning for my next Brushes and Bellinis class. It's going to be in Huntsville, Alabama. I will have, you know, like the link to my website and everything below because registration is open and all of that good stuff. So yeah, it was a really, really, really good time last time. So I plan on making it a really good time this time. So I'm just planning for that right now. And yeah, but yeah, mainly I just, I'm going into model, I don't know. But yeah, I really just needed to just like step back. I had just a lot of personal stuff going on. So, you know, just gotta take that time. Now, I didn't really expect my hiatus to be as long as it was, but you know, things happen. And then I recently celebrated my birthday again. If you all follow me on Instagram, you know, like I have been updating my Instagram. I just haven't really had the time to sit down in front of you guys and just film. And since like I had the time today, I was just like, oh, whatever, let me just go ahead and film. Like I just made myself make the time to do it, whereas before, like I may have had time, but I just didn't make myself do it. I just wasn't really in the mood. So, you know, it is what it is. But I'm going to do my best to actually be back and be consistent and stuff like I had planned on being earlier this year, but God be having different plans for us, and you just never know what those plans are till they happen. So, I mean, you know, life, man, life. You live, you learn. That's all you can really do, you feel me? I'm going to now go into the Rich in Life palette. I was a Rich in Color, this is a Rich in Life. And I want to take some of this Jet Setter, because this is a little bit darker. And I just want to put that in just the really, really outer V. Right here. But yeah, so I really have no like explanation as to where I've been, except for just that I just needed a break. Yeah, I just needed a break. But like I said, I'm going to try now to come back and bring myself back, get myself back into the habit of filming, try to, you know, like I said, be more consistent And yeah, that's just what it is. So I'm really hot. And my heat's not even on right now. But I'm just like, how does heck? Got my little cut brush, and I'm just gonna cut with the same concealer. I'm just gonna dab some on the back of my hands. And I need a small mirror to cut. Cause yeah. I don't know, I don't be really doing these. Okay. Now to go back. Alright. Back into the Rich in Life palette. Like I said, I'm going to take No Exits. Y'all can see that right here. I'm going to take that, and that's the shade I'm going to pop on my lid. This is like really, really, really soft. Need a smaller brush. Okay. Okay, so I finished my other eye off camera, did my not my mascara, Lord, my eyeliner and everything. So we're going to hop into the face. I am going to be using just a little bit of my Urban Decay with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. So, and when I say like a little bit, I just mean like a, hold on, there we go. And I really just needed just to kind of even out this color, because this color is a little just not right. So because I ordered it online, and so I went with you know, the description that they had, but it wasn't really what I needed. So it's okay though, whatever. Alright, this should be good for now, and if I need more, then of course I'll add more, but I'm gonna take that same Juvia's Place concealer and just, you know, put a little under my eyes. Y'all know the drill. I don't really need to tell you. I'm trying to decide if I was gonna use a cream contour or not. I am gonna cream contour it out. I'm gonna take Cocoa of the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Okay, so this is the dress that I will be wearing. Wait, there we go. This is the dress. I got it from, before I do loose powder, I'm going to just take a little pressed powder. This is a Sephora Micro Smooth, and I'm just going to set under here first with the pressed powder. Now I'm going to use now I'm going to use my loose setting powder. have been using as of late this Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And when I say it has changed my life, this setting powder is like everything. And like everything. So I'm just going to take like my damp beauty blender. And go ahead and set under here. I only do like a light layer of it, but it just like melts into your skin and I just freaking love it. Like, look, the bomb. I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Deep Peach, but it's like, it's not even real dark on me. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up the skin a little bit. Good. All right, so under the eye, my Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into Jet Setter first and go take that like right on the lash line, like, you know, right underneath. Alright, and then going into the other palette, I'm going to take Model. And I go underneath. Before I put my lashes and stuff on, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight the face again. I'm going to use my Under Construction Shayla ColourPop Construct blush. I use this blush like every day. I love it so much. Like literally almost every day. Like when I apply blush, if I'm not using like my NARS Orgasm, it's this one. It's this one. It's this one. And then for a highlighter, I'm just going to use my Maybelline Master Chrome. Maybelline Master Chrome. Hey, boo. Am I blurry? Why do I look blurry? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, we'll do these. So these are by a company called Chic Cosmetics, and the style of lash is not on here, so I really, oh, Kiss. The style of lash is called Kiss. So yeah. Yep. Alright guys, well this is it. This is the finished look. I will got this piece of hair like going across my forehead and it won't move. Okay, there we go. Alright guys, this is it. This is the finished look. I will insert like a picture somewhere of my full outfit, dress, shoes, bag, all of that, you know, somewhere up in here. And yeah, so like I said during the video, I really am going to try to come back and be more consistent with my uploads, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.